What if Earth has an expiration date? We often perceive our planet as a bastion of permanence, a celestial sphere spinning effortlessly through the cosmos. But the truth, as we are about to uncover, is far more delicate. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 mind-blowing theories on how our planet could one day meet its ultimate fate. Number 5. The Sun's death. It's hard to believe, but the very star that gives us life is destined to destroy us. For billions of years, the Sun has been a steadfast presence, bathing our planet in warmth and light. But even stars have a life cycle, and our Sun is no exception. Scientists predict that in about 5 billion years, the Sun will exhaust its nuclear fuel and begin to die. As this fuel dwindles, the Sun's core will contract, causing its outer layers to expand dramatically. The Sun will transform into a red giant, engulfing the orbits of Mercury and Venus. Earth will find itself precariously close to this expanding inferno. Temperatures will soar, oceans will boil away, and our planet will be reduced to a barren, scorched wasteland. The very atmosphere that shields us will be stripped away by the Sun's intense solar winds. Some theories suggest that as the Sun expands, its gravitational pull on Earth might weaken, potentially pushing our planet into a wider orbit. However, even in this best-case scenario, Earth would be irrevocably altered. Number 4. Supervolcanic eruption. Imagine a volcano so colossal, so powerful, that its eruption could reshape continents and plunge the world into darkness, altering the course of history itself. That, my friends, is the terrifying reality of a supervolcano, a force of nature that dwarfs all other volcanic activity. Unlike traditional volcanoes, supervolcanoes lurk beneath the surface, often disguised as vast, serene depressions called calderas, which can span tens of kilometers. Yellowstone National Park harbors one such supervolcano, a sleeping giant beneath a picturesque landscape. Beneath its bubbling mud pots and erupting geysers lies a magma chamber of staggering size, capable of holding immense amounts of molten rock. Should this supervolcano erupt, the immediate devastation would be catastrophic, with far-reaching consequences. Pyroclastic flows would race across the landscape, incinerating everything in their path, leaving nothing but destruction in their wake. Ash and sulfur dioxide would be ejected high into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and triggering a global volcanic winter, plunging temperatures worldwide. Crops would fail, ecosystems would collapse, and the interconnected web of life would be thrown into chaos, disrupting food chains and habitats. The long-term effects include widespread acid rain and global cooling, potentially lasting for decades, altering climates and weather patterns. The eruption of a supervolcano is not a question of if, but when, as history has shown us time and again. These geological titans have shaped our planet's history, and they will undoubtedly shape its future, leaving indelible marks on the Earth's surface. The question is, will humanity be prepared for the day the Earth shudders once more? And how will we respond to such a monumental event? Number 3, Asteroid Collision. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real threat. Remember the dinosaurs? A single asteroid wiped them out. The cosmos is a shooting gallery, and Earth is not immune to the occasional cosmic bullet. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact unleashed unimaginable energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The consequences were devastating. Wildfires, tsunamis, and a darkened atmosphere. The impact triggered a chain reaction of environmental disasters, leading to a mass extinction event. Today, astronomers are constantly scanning the skies for potential threats. While we have made strides in detecting near-Earth objects, the vastness of space makes it impossible to identify every danger. The threat of an asteroid impact is a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the cosmic arena. The possibility of a catastrophic collision remains a very real and present danger. Number 2, rogue black hole. Imagine this: a massive invisible threat traveling through space at unimaginable speeds. A rogue black hole, a cosmic wanderer moving silently and swiftly through the vast expanse of the universe. A rogue black hole doesn't need to collide with Earth to destroy it. Just passing nearby could do the job. Its immense gravitational pull could wreak havoc on our planet. Black holes, cosmic entities of unimaginable density and gravitational pull, are often portrayed as cosmic vacuum cleaners. They consume everything in their path, from stars to entire solar systems. Rogue black holes wander the cosmos like celestial phantoms, remnants of ancient galactic collisions. These collisions can send black holes hurtling through space at incredible speeds. These nomadic behemoths drift through the universe undetected, their presence only betrayed by the subtle gravitational distortions they create. Stars and planets may shift slightly, hinting at the invisible force passing by. While a direct collision with a rogue black hole would be catastrophic, a near miss could be equally devastating. The gravitational forces could be strong enough to alter the course of our planet. The immense gravitational forces could disrupt planetary orbits, trigger volcanic eruptions, and potentially eject Earth from its habitable zone. The delicate balance of our solar system could be thrown into chaos. Imagine our planet flung into the cold depths of interstellar space, its surface frozen, its oceans locked in ice. Life as we know it would cease to exist in such a harsh environment. The most unsettling aspect of a rogue black hole encounter is the element of surprise. They can appear without warning, giving us little to no time to prepare. Unlike asteroids, black holes are invisible to conventional observation methods. They don't reflect light, making them nearly impossible to detect until it's too late. The threat posed by rogue black holes serves as a stark reminder of the vastness and unpredictability of the cosmos. In the grand scheme of the universe, we are but a tiny, vulnerable speck. Number 1. Human-induced catastrophe. Our greatest threat may not be from the cosmos, but from ourselves. Industrialization and urbanization have brought unprecedented changes to our environment. Climate change, nuclear proliferation, and deforestation are pushing Earth toward an uncertain future. These challenges are interconnected, creating a web of crises. Climate change, driven by fossil fuels, is wreaking havoc globally. The relentless burning of coal, oil, and gas is altering our planet's climate. Rising sea levels, extreme weather, and collapsing ecosystems are felt everywhere, from island nations to large continents. The continued burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, causing a gradual warming of the planet. This warming disrupts weather patterns, alters ocean currents, and melts polar ice caps, contributing to rising sea levels. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion and logging, is another self-inflicted wound. Trees act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide and regulating our climate. Clear-cutting forests releases stored carbon, exacerbating climate change and causing species loss. Nuclear proliferation increases the risk of catastrophic conflict. The destructive power of nuclear weapons is well documented, and the risk of detonation remains a chilling possibility. A nuclear war would have devastating global consequences, releasing massive radiation and causing long-term impacts. Addressing these crises requires recognizing their interconnected nature and tackling them holistically.